My name is Tamika Jackson, and I am the executive director and founder of the Beautiful Way Foundation. The Beautiful Way Foundation is an organization where we focus on the underrepresented and the underserved and ensuring that they have access to clinical trials. But we don't just focus on that portion of them. We want to help the whole person. And so the Beautiful Way, which is a nonprofit organization, is focused on the whole person, which means that we are developing social equity programs that is going to help them remove the barriers from their lives so that they can focus on leaving a legacy of health. How can people get involved? The very first thing I would like to ask the community is to contact me. We need donations. It takes a whole village to get this message out. And so, if you are interested in making sure that the underrepresented and underserved are represented in the data that impacts future medicines, please get involved and let us know how you would like to help. We would like donations. We also need access to your networks. So we have powerful people that we reach with IBTV. And so we ask that you guys help us to get access to the people that can move our agenda and our mission forward for the underrepresented and the underserved. So this year, we have decided that we are going to form a community that we're going to go out into the communities and we're going to talk to the underrepresented and the underserved. And we're going to host 30 events. And those events is going to be twice monthly. And so our goal is to reach more than 2,000 members in the community of Boston. Boston, ready or not, here we come. We have 20 cities that we're working with, and we're going to talk and understand what the needs are in those communities as well as educate them on clinical trials. So we are so excited. We're getting our partners ready. We're actually working with the city of Boston. We are excited in what we're going to bring to that area to be able to galvanize, mobilize, and evangelize our community to ensure that they have the equitable access to transformative health solutions.